Tired of getting disconnected in the heat of battle? Let's dive into how to fix Valorant Crash and get you back in the game. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Valorant. You can find these on the Riot Games website. And if you're barely scraping by, it may be too difficult. Now, a common culprit: outdated drivers. Open Device Manager on Windows and check your display adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver, then click Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows troubleshoot and install the latest drivers, making sure to restart your PC when prompted. Next, verify your game files in the Riot Games launcher. Go to the Valorant settings section. When you click the gear on the upper right or bottom left, look for an option to verify game files. This process checks for corrupted files and reinstalls anything that's off. It can take a few minutes, so be patient. If verifying files doesn't work, check how your system is handling it. Open Task Manager and keep an eye on resource usage, especially CPU and GPU. If one is maxing out constantly, it can cause crash. Consider closing non-essential background applications. In Windows settings, go to Display Settings and then Graphics Settings. There, you can set Valorant to either high performance on your graphics cards to specifically using your most powerful graphics card. Still crashing? There may be a conflict between your game and a third-party app. Try uninstalling any software that interacts with Valorant, such as overlays or recording programs. Finally, if the problem persists, it might be a server-side issue. Check the official Valorant social media channels or the official Riot Games website for server status updates. This should give you an all-clear. Hopefully, these steps will keep you in the game. Let us know in the comments if these tips worked for you.